All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge to my devotion in the well-being and the sporty alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
International National News is brought to you by Adhika of Grade 6 Jasper. International News. India hands over G20 presidency to Brazil. National News. G20 leaders pay respects at Gandhi Memorial as they wrap up Indian summit and hand over to Brazil. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Shrestha of Grade 6 Jasper. State news. Congress sets up several poll committees for assembly election in Telangana. Sports news. India versus Pakistan. Empty stands not a good advertisement for cricket's greatest rivalry. Thank you. Next, my friend, we continue. Happy morning, everyone. Today, weather report is brought to you by Geeta of Grade 6 Jasper. Weather report. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Partly cloudy. Have a wonderful day. Happy morning, everyone. Today's thought of the day is brought to you by Harshini of Grade 6 Jasper. Thought. Success always sucks you in private, but failure always slaps you in public. I repeat it again. Success always hugs you in private, but failure always slaps you in public. By Sandeep Maheshwari. Today's word is brought to you by Brinda of 6 Jasper. Word. Private, which spells as Private, which means having no official or public role. Friends, please spell after me. Private. Private. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Today's amazing facts on mathematics is brought to you by Jansi of Grade 6 Jasper. Fact number 1. 40 is only number that is spelled with letters arranged in alphabetical order. Fact number 2. 1 is only number that is spelled with letters arranged in descending order. Fact number 3. The opposite sides of a die always add up to 7. Fact number 4. The hour and minute hand of a clock coincide 22 times in a day. Fact number 5. From 0 to 1000, the only number that has the letter F in it is 1000. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue article on G20.
G20 is brought to you by Erickson of Grade 6 Jasper. Article. The group of G20 comprises Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Japan, Indonesia, India, Italy, Republic of Korea, Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Turkey, United Kingdom and United States along with European Union. The G20 was founded in 1999 after the Asian financial crisis as a forum for the finance ministers and central bank governors to discuss the global economic and financial issues. The G20 was later upgraded to the level of heads of the state government and was designated the premier forum for the international economic cooperation. Since 2011, the G20 summit is held annually under the leadership of the rotating presidency. The G20 initially focused largely on broad macroeconomic policy, but it has since expanded its ambit to include trade, climate change, sustainable development, energy, environment, anti-corruption, and etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. Today's GK questions on article is brought to you by Deeksha of Grade 6 Jasper. Questions for Grade 6. When did G20 begin? 26 September 1999. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 26 September 1999. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. Where was the initial G20 summit held? I will repeat it again. Where was the initial G20 summit held? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is Washington DC in USA. Question for grade 8. What is the full form of G20? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Group of 20. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. What is official language of G20 summit? I will repeat it again. What is official language of G20 summit? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is English, French, Spanish. Question for grade 10. Which G20 member country is the largest economy in the world in terms of world GDP? I will repeat it again. Which G20 member country is the largest economy in the world in terms of world GDP? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is United States of America. Question for grade 1. Which animal smells with its tongue? I repeat my question. Which animal smells with its tongue? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is snake. Question for grade 2. Which country has no temple? I repeat my question. Which country has no temple? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is Saudi Arabia. Pink one. question for all. Pink bananas are found in which Indian state? Assam. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Assam. Thank you. Have a nice day. State and sports news is brought to you by Giant of Great II Hazel. Today's state and sports news is Saudi Arabia, one of India's most voted strategic partners, PM Modi. Sports state news. Sports news. Asian Cup 2023 KL Rahul brings up his century on India. Thank you. Today, weather report is brought to you by America of Great Hazel. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. Please now. Thank you. Have a nice day. Today national and international news is brought to you by National news. India hand over G20 presidency to Brazil. International news. International news. Russia attacks Ukraine with 32 drones, 25 dogs. With next my friend will continue state and sports. Today, happy morning to all. I am Sumatva from grade 2 Hazel. Today I am going to tell about maths. According to this mathematical fact, from 0 to 1000, the only number that has the letter A in its spelling is 1000. THOUSAND. Thank you. I'm Avantika from grade 2 years. Today's amazing fact is it is physical impossible for kids to look up into the sky. I am Aradhya from grade 2 Hazel. Today I am going to tell about hockey. Hockey is the national game of India.